Hello guys. So in this video I will be uh, let you know about what is interpreter in Python. So interpreter is basically like in C++, Java we use compiler. So compiler basically compiles all of the code which like all of the lines in the program and then gives us the output. While in the case and if there is any error in any of the lines in C++, Java, the code won't execute and we have to just go to the specific line and resolve that error. Then only if we compile the program again we will get some output. But in Python programming, interpreter is basically what like it does is it executes the code line by line. So uh, whatever lines which are executed successfully gives the output, and if there is any error in any line after that, so it will stop its like execution at that line and give the error, and all the lines after that error line won't be executed. So this is how interpreter works. uh, so it means that basically interpreter gives the output before any error line will occur for all the lines which were like previously successfully executed. So this is the meaning of the difference between interpreter and compiler. So basically, see, like as we know, Java works in the form of like classes and objects. So C like Python also basically works on the same like object-oriented programming only in the form of class and objects. And so like the syntax which we use in Python is like a compressed kind of syntax. Like in C++, we have to write around 3 to 4 statements to just like print some hello world thing. But in Python, we can write just print hello world, and it is a one line code. So the syntax is really compressed. So these are some key points which I wanted to let you know before we start any programming in Python. So basically, if you want to download Python, you can just uh, search on Google download Python interpreter. So there are many softwares available. You can like go to this python.org and download its IDE. So it will actually contain two kind of things. First is like it will contain a run kind of interface where you can just type the command and it will give the output. And another is a notepad kind of thing where you will actually you have to type the code and save the file in .py and then use the run command to actually see the output in the output screen, which is in the like run output screen. So like it is easy to use. I think you will be able to download it because it is like there is a documentation and also available like on there are various guidelines on how to download, how to use this. So it is, I think, easy to use at this basic stage. I don't think I should put much test how to download, but yeah, in future if I will be teaching you more advanced concept like numpy libraries and how to like use advanced data analysis using Python, I will show you how to download this. Like I will actually do it from beginning itself. So I will download it and I will download all the required libraries for data analysis. So, but for this lecture, I will be just using an online ID to just clear the concepts. Uh, so online also IDs there are many IDs. So just for like understanding. So I am actually moving now to what are variables in Python. So you can see this basically this is print hello world. It will just print hello world. So basically in Python we have to take care what indentation we are like maintaining. Indentation is a very key factor in Python language. We should like if we are writing any for loop or any kind of function like control statement, it should be indented after the colon. Uh, Also like for example in C++ we check we have to declare like int a, and then we according to the data type the variable is created and we assign it value. But in Python, the whatever value we assign, it automatically detects that whether it is an integer value or a float value, and according to that the data type of the variable is decided in Python. So this is basically like uh, this is auto in Python, automatically it is done. So if we want to basically what are the actually rules to create the variable names in Python is that you cannot start any variable name with any number or any like that. You have to just start it with alphabet only. And so take care of that. And like if you try to assign, for example, if you assign it a 90, and and if you want to, so it is giving us output 10. So it is giving us two outputs. But like basically whatever value whatever you want to print, we just put that value in this print statement with comma, and it is going to output with a space here, as you can see. But if we try to do this, like if we try to do it in the form of a double quote string here, it will not print, but it will only print that string as output. So take care that you only put the variable here. And also one more important thing. So as you can see, this is the basically memory address of these two variables. In C, if we output these memory address as two variables are there, you would be expecting that there should be two different separate addresses. But why it is outputting like I think it is the same address. It is because Python actually takes the address of the any variable based on its value. So if if a value is created like 90, so it will be given only one address. So that is why A and B are showing only to one address, because the address are based on the value, not based on the variable as it is in C++ or Java. So it is going to give you this output only. And if you change this, like if you do any operation, see, it is going to give you a different address, as you can see here, because the value is changed now. Anytime in the program you get 90, you will be actually getting the same address uh, as the addresses are based on the value. You can see. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment if you want to, if you have any doubts on anything you want in detail.